Hi everybody, got a Hot Wheels box number B from Amazon today. Now I did a little experiment and I ordered a returned box of Hot Wheels. Is this going to be a mistake? Did I get screwed? Did I get what I really paid for? Let's take a look on this returned box that was returned to Amazon, and then I bought it basically like a refurbished unit, okay? Now, when I bought it, it said like new. Like new. Well, it's not like new, folks. Do you see that right there? Scotch tape. Do you see that right there? Corners badly beaten up. Let's take another look at another one of these corners. Corner badly beaten up. What happened to this box? How much abuse did this box take? Okay, this is not looking good. Once again, now I didn't do any of this. I don't know if you can see it, but it's the corner of the box is basically ripped right there. Okay, so let's see what we actually got inside of this boxed set. Go ahead, take my pocket knife, open this box set up, and let's see what's in there. Okay, well, at least it's not a box of rocks. That can be said for it. And let's see what we got. We got a Volvo P1800 Gasser. Pretty nice little car, pretty nice little car. Let's put that over there. What else have we got? We got a Corvette C706 convertible. Not a bad little casting there. Oh, do you see what I see? Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Huh. The box that's supposed to have 16 cars in it apparently only has 12. You know what that means, folks? We got screwed. Somebody went through this box and took out 4 cars. Now, were they treasure hunt cars? Were they super treasure hunts? We'll never know. But they took out 4 cars that they liked in some context, and they sent the remaining 12 that they didn't care for back to Amazon. What a low-life human being. But I took the risk. I took the risk for you to show you what can happen with these boxes. Regardless of me getting screwed over one more time in life, I'm going to go ahead and show you what came in the box. Once again, this is box B. Box B. We have a Rally Special. Rally Special. Now that's a generic car from Hot Wheels, and it's a nice little car. It's got a lot of Corvette vibes on it. In fact, it may be a Corvette design of some sort. We have a Porsche Panamera Turbo S E-Hybrid Sport Turismo. Nice casting right there. Very nice. Very, very nice. What else do we got? We got a custom 2011 Camaro in the Hot Wheels Art Cars. I don't know if you've ever been to an art car show, but they're really cool. We have them in California occasionally. So let's see if we can pull that a little closer for you to take a look at real quick. And yeah, it's got some pretty cool graphics on it. Not quite sure what they are yet. I'll have to study them a little bit. Yeah, this car is covered in decals. Alright, next car. Roger Dodger, another generic Mattel creation here. This one's got big monster motor in it. Monster motor. Side pipes. 4 and 4 on this Roger Dodger from the Hot Wheels Dream Garage. Pretty good casting. And now we got a Dodge van. Not bad, not bad. Not my favorite, but you know, to each his own. Someone might find this very appealing. It's from the Hot Wheels 55 race team. So has a 55 tempo on the side there. Goodyear, Hot Wheels, Dodge, the whole 9 yards. Got orange tinted windows. Whew, boy, if this were real life and I were driving that van around, that might be a little bit much. Those orange tinted windows. Look at this. It's got a huge sunroof across the top there. Really cool. Oh, here's a special one. Mercedes-Benz 300 SL. Wow. Now, what kind of fool would buy this box and not keep the Mercedes-Benz 300 SL? That's crazy. I just don't get it. I just don't get it. Bilstein, Hot Wheels on the side, number two on the hood, nice stripes on the, I don't know if you, guess it helps if I keep it on the camera. And let's see, get it to light, nice stripes on the headlight, wells there. Very cool car. Very cool, very nice. Nice little casting there. And it is part of the Retro Racer series, number 3 out of 10. Got 4 more cars, folks. Supposed to have 8 more, but 4 more. Here we go. We got a Baja Hauler. The Baja Hauler. And this is obviously a Hot Wheels creation. Look, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little teeny tiny cab on this thing. I wonder, are humans being shrunk down to drive this thing? Or is this thing literally that huge in real life that it needs a cab that small? I don't know. But supposedly off-grid delivery. And Hot Wheels upper left. Got a nice mountain range in the scene there on the side of the vehicle. Pretty cool tires. I like those. I would say that was kind of a copper color right there. And nice vehicle. Like I said, Hot Wheels creation. It's in the Hot Wheels Haulers collection. And it says it has a special feature. What does that mean? Special features. You know. Oh, special feature. That's cool. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not. I'll get you a photo later if it doesn't come out on the video. The wheels actually articulate, okay, up and down. So it has a real suspension of sorts. That's really cool. I'll have to review this car and give you an idea how those suspension components work. That's really cool. I've never had a Hot Wheels that did that. Okay, next car. 84 Mustang SVO. Nice. I like the coloring on it. And what else does it got? Okay. Mustang SVO on the side. Orange stripe down the side. I remember these cars being sold in real life. They were really nice looking cars. And this Mustang really helped save Ford. The Mustang and the Taurus in the 80s and 90s really helped to save the Ford company. As long as they sold F-150s, you can make an entire company selling F-150s. But for the rest of the company, this Mustang, this Fox body, and the Taurus really did the trick for Ford. And this is Hot Wheels the 80s collection, number 2 out of 10. Alright, 2 more cars. A little irritated, but I was expecting it. I know, I need my butt kicked. Okay, we got the standard cart from Mario Kart. That's pretty cool. I'm not a big Mario Kart fan, but okay. It's okay. Look at that. It's the Hot Wheels Screen Time series, number 2 out of 10. Not bad. And number 12. Number 12. We're supposed to have 16 in this box. We got ripped off. Don't buy a returned box from Amazon. You're going to get screwed like I did. Okay, last car. A 1980 El Camino. Love the look on this car. It's kind of a deep blue with a silver stripe down the side of the car on the rocker panel there, and got El Camino SS written on the side of it. This is a nice casting right here. I really like this casting. Put it in the glow of the light there for you. And it belongs to series Hot Wheels, the 80s series. So, there you go. There's my unboxing of set number B from Hot Wheels. And to be honest with you, I'm not even sure. I can't even be sure. Let's see. Yeah, that's got a B on it. This one's got a B on it. Let's confirm that these are actually supposed to be B series cars anyway. That one's got a B. That one's got a B. I'm just going to check these. I'm not even sure these are all B cars. This one's got a B. Apparently they're all B cars, so this one's got a B as well. Box B. This one's got a B, so far it doesn't look like they mixed B's and C's or A's and B's. This one's got a B. At least whoever cheated me on 4 cars, at least gave me all B cars back. Alright, there you have it. You now know what I now know. Don't buy a returned Hot Wheels box set from Amazon. You're going to get screwed. And I've taken the mystery out of it for you. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.